Hi everyone, this is Poi. Welcome to Pimmy's Handcrafted Soap, and I would like to welcome new subscribers as well, and also welcome to the subscribers that have already been here a while. Thank you for checking in today. This week's soap, we are going to make a soap I call Summer Kiss, and it's gonna be on the colorful side. I think I have been making black and white soaps for a while now, so it's time to change that up. And this is going to be an in the pot swirl. The recipe I'm using is my lard and shea butter recipe. It'll be down in the description box below. The colors we're going to be using today is Cantaloupe Mica. This is from Nurture Soap. It's going to be my base color. I put it here so that I can easily add the oils to disperse it. The accent color for this in the pot swirl is going to be Tropical Teal Mica, also from Nurture, and as well as Mango Tango Mica. I've made this before and it turned out really nice. I'm going to sprinkle the top with Super Sparkles. This is an Enviro Glitter. And today's scent is going to be Persephone's Kiss. It smells really nice, really fitting. Okay, so now I'm going to go melt my shea butter, coconut oil, and lard. Stay tuned. Here you can see the darkness of the olive oil, and I was using extra virgin olive oil. It could affect the overall color of the batter a little bit, but not much. And I usually just buy whatever I can find on the market that is a good deal. I'm going to take out some of the oil to disperse the colorant. You can actually mix the mica right in with the batter, but I find that dispersing it in oil first is a lot easier when I mix it in. I love making in the pot swirls just because they're so easy and pretty, and the cut is also exciting because you don't know how it'll actually turn out. This is the Mango Tango. Add the fragrance oil right now, and I'll stick blend to disperse the oatmeal. I stick blended to emulsion where the oils and lye are mixed in completely. You'll see no oil streaks at the top. We haven't reached trace yet, but I think I'll put the batter out. I'll pour the batter out now to mix in with the color, and I might stick blend some more. Here is what it looks like before I stick blend. I'm gonna go from light to darkest. I decided to hand stir in this accent colors because I don't have a lot of batter in there, and if I stick blend it's just gonna cause bubbles. In the pot swirl it's okay to pour at emulsion or light trace, so it doesn't need to be thick batter. All the colorants I'm using today is from Nurture Soap, and I absolutely love them. I want to be using more colors in the next batches. Okay, so here's a close-up of the colors. This is the Cantaloupe Mica. This is the Mango Tango. It's quite a fresh orange color. And this is the Tropical Teal. So I am going to pour these two in the main bucket and give it 1 or 2 swirls and pour into my loaf mold here. What the soap looks like before I swirl the top. It looks pretty funky this way. I like it. Maybe one of these days I'll just leave it like this. Okay, let me swirl this and sprinkle the top with some glitter. If you want to see another one of my swirly soap, I'll attach it in the upper right hand corner. So here it is, you guys. Do you like it so far? Thumbs up below if you do. I'm going to insulate this for 24 hours and then we'll be back for the cut. Stay tuned. So here's what our soap loaf looks like. It unmolded really well. Let's cut into this, you guys. So here's what the cut soap looks like. Do you like it? For in the pot swirls, you can actually stir in the colors when it's at medium or heavier trace. It would be more defined that way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, please leave them below and say hi also. Also follow my Instagram. Have a good day, you guys. See you next week. Bye.